Welcome to Emily Educational Academy online coaching. This is Dr. Moses. I am an educational psychologist. I did MSc Psychology, MA Economics, MH, MPhil and PhD in the field of education. I had 20 years of teaching and coaching experience. I have trained many students for CTET, Teacher Eligibility Test and Teachers Recruitment Test. I have produced more than 20,000 teachers across country from Emily Educational Academy, Hyderabad platform. Emily Educational Academy is a pioneer and professional coaching center in the field of teacher eligibility and teachers recruitment test. If you are a teacher job aspirant looking for online coaching in English medium, Emily Academy is the right mentor for teachers recruitment and teachers eligibility test. If you want crack CTET, TET and get teacher job in central and state government schools, then watch professional video classes on child development and pedagogy by using our mobile app Emily Academy. Child development and pedagogy is difficult and different subject to understand. You will understand concepts, theories, principles, generalizations in child development and pedagogy by watching our video classes. So download our app Emily Academy and subscribe Dr. Moses Emily YouTube channel for professional video classes, standard study material and online practice bits for CTET, TET, KVS, NVS, Gurukula, DSC, KGBV, Railway, Army schools and model schools teachers recruitment. According to Daulat Singh Kotari, the destiny of India is being shaped in her classrooms. Teaching is the one profession that creates all other professions. If you have 3 C's, content, communication, competency, you can get teacher job either in central government or in state government schools. You can get job as a primary school teacher, trained graduate teacher, postgraduate teacher in KVS, Kendriya Vidyalayas, NVS, Navodaya Vidyalayas, Army schools, Sainik schools, Railway schools, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalayas, residential schools, Ekalavya schools, municipal schools, Mandala Parishad schools, Jilla Parishad schools, model schools. The average salary in these schools approximately 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. If you get teacher job, you will have job security and job satisfaction. You can enjoy 3 hours in teaching profession. Reputation, second one remuneration, the third one recreation. Be a good teacher and have bright future. All the best. Emily Educational Academy, Hyderabad. What is CTET? Central Teacher Eligibility Test. CTET is essential qualification for the person to be eligible for appointment as teacher in government schools like KVS, NVS, Tibetan schools from class 1 to 8. CTET is conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education in accordance with the guidelines framed by NCTE, National Council for Teacher Education. CTET first came into existence in year 2011. CTET exam is conducted after every 6 months. Why CTET came into existence? With a thought to improve the teacher's standard, setting benchmark in our education system and making a teacher more efficient in applying her knowledge in teaching learning process, CTET came into existence. In accordance with the provision of subsection 1 of section 23 of Right to Education Act 2009, the National Council of Teacher Education had wide notification dated 23 August 2010 laid down the minimum qualification for person to be eligible for appoint as a teacher. How important is CTET? CTET certificate is a mandatory to become a teacher for classes 1st to 8th in any central government school or for recruitment of teachers for government run and aided schools. Next, CTET exam pattern. Duration of the exam 2.5 hours. Number of questions 150. Each question carries 1 mark. Type of questions multiple choice questions. Number of choices 4. Out of 4, 1 correct choice is there. There is no negative marking. Pass percentage is 60%. General category students should get 90 out of 150, whereas SC, ST, OBC, physically handicapped candidates can get 84 marks out of 150. Medium of paper will be in English or Hindi. The CTET test paper 1 consists of Child Development and Pedagogy 30 marks, Language 1 and Pedagogy 30 marks, Language 2 it is English, it is mandatory, Language 2 and Pedagogy 30 marks, Environmental Studies and Pedagogy 30 marks, Mathematics and Pedagogy 30 marks. So for paper 1, 150 marks are there. Those who want to become primary school teachers should pass CTET paper 1. And paper 2, Child Development and Pedagogy 30 marks, Language 1 and Pedagogy 30 marks, Language 2 English and Pedagogy 30 marks. For BSc students, Science and Mathematics and Pedagogy 60 marks. For BA students, Social Science and Pedagogy 60 marks. In order to pass CTET, focus on pedagogy. Child Development and Pedagogy is a complete subject and will constitute 30 marks. Besides that subject, each subject contains 50% questions from pedagogy. So pedagogy is very important area. If you focus on pedagogy, then you will have more chances of attempting more questions and qualifying the examination. So don't postpone. Download our app Emily Academy from Play Store. For more professional videos, subscribe Dr. Moses Emily YouTube channel and press bell icon so that you will get professional videos related to TET, CTET and teachers recruitment test. So be a good teacher, have the bright future. I wish you all the best.